Hello and welcome to Everyday Idioms with me, Dara, from freespiritenglish.com. Today's idiom, a little bird told me. What's that? Really? No. A little bird told me is an idiom which means somebody told me this information, but I don't want to tell you who told me. I don't want you to know who let me know. Okay, let's see how we can use this phrase naturally. A little bird told me it's your birthday today. This is just a small gift from everyone here at the office. Happy birthday. A little bird told me that you're quitting soon. Have you got another job lined up or something? Who told you that? That's supposed to be a secret. How did you know I was getting married? I haven't even told my family yet. A little bird told me. Don't worry, your secret's safe with me. So there we are. A little bird told me. Do you have a similar phrase in your language? Let us know in the comment section below. Brought to you by freespiritenglish.com. If you like this video, why not give us a like or share it with your friends?